25, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
911, do you need police, fire, or paramedics?
Neither. There is a individual who is on drugs at the moment, and he is about to get in his car, so I need someone to come over here and please.
Okay, so that's the police department. Where are you calling from?
From Claremont.
Where in Claremont?
We're in Claremont. I'm on the corner of Claremont and Andrew.
What kind of car is he in?
He is in a blue Scion license plate 9 Frank I Michael 630.
Hold on just a second. I'm sorry about that. And what kind of car is it?
He's in a blue Scion. He's taking off right now. He is heavily on drugs. He's going to kill somebody.
Okay. Why do you think he's on drugs?
Oh, because he's coming out screaming with his shirt off.
Okay. Do you know what he's screaming about or what he's upset about?
No, he's just screaming. He is silly. He's on drugs.
Okay.
He's
what direction is he going? Hold on.
He's on Andrews and Claremont. He's passing Andrews. He's going eastbound on Andrews.
Eastbound on Andrews?
He's going eastbound on Andrews.
Okay. Is he a male, white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
White.
What color shirt was he wearing?
I don't have a shirt on.
No shirt? Okay. What color pants was he wearing?
Black, I believe.
Black pants?
I believe.
Okay. Anything else about him that stood out?
He's on drugs. He's definitely on drugs.
I understand that.
He's got a beard on.
Okay. Did you see any weapons on him by chance?
No.
Okay. And do you still see him or no?
No, he left his shoes on the side of the street, and he's driving on Andrew Street.
Okay. Did you see him doing drugs?
No.
Okay. And what makes you, just because of his behavior, he's acting funny?
Correct.
Okay. What's your last name? And are you still watching him?
No, he's drove by.
I'm sorry?
He's driven off.
Okay. And the last time you saw him, he was going eastbound on Andrew?
Yes. No, going west. Yes, going eastbound on Andrew. Yes. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. And you don't see him anymore?
No. I'm walking eastbound on Andrews to see if he has pulled over.
And you don't see him anymore?
No, I do not.
Okay. We have officers in there. They'll go ahead and check it out, okay?
Thank you.
Claremont Police Department, Brother speaking.
On Andrew Drive, right by Claremont Boulevard, there's a man in kind of a Scion, boxy car, kind of blue in color, blue-gray in color. He's going to have a psychotic episode rolling around on the asphalt.
What is he doing?
Screaming and getting in and out of his car. I think he's about to drive on there.
Okay. Do you see the
license
plate?
lungs. No, I'd rather not engage him.
Okay.
Sorry,
and what?
My office is right here. And I was walking my clients out to the car. On there. What I was doing because who's small, elderly
and it's a
woman,
blue Scion. Okay.
It looks
I'll
like
go ahead.
a blue Scion. It's a boxy car on this. Yeah, like the Scion.
Do you know what direction he's going?
He is not moving. He just keeps getting in and out of his car and screaming.
Oh, okay. I'll go ahead and send an officer out there right now. Okay, bye-bye.
Right?
4 traffic on the vehicle. Andrew Claremont.
Traffic on the vehicle, Andrew Claremont.
Hey, turn off your vehicle! Turn off your vehicle! Stop your car and turn off your vehicle. Stop your car and turn off your vehicle. Stop your car, put it in park, turn off your vehicle. Hey, roll down your windows. Turn off your car. Hey, listen to me. Roll down your window. Roll down your window. Hey, listen to me. Roll down your window. Roll down your window. There you go. Listen, are you okay? What's going on, brother?
There's someone behind me.
I'm behind you.
No, there's someone behind me.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me, partner. Go ahead and turn off your car. I'm a police officer. I'm here to help you.
I see.
What's going on, buddy? Hey, let me have your keys. Let me have your keys. What's going on?
Back seat.
Huh?
Someone in the back seat.
Someone's in the back seat?
Someone in the back seat.
I know. I'm a police officer. I'm here to help you, brother.
Okay.
What's going on?
There's someone in the back. Is there someone in the back seat?
No, I'm right here.
No, man. There's someone in the back seat.
Hey, you wanna come on this side? We get him out. Hey, buddy. Listen to me.
There's someone in the back seat, bro. I know it. They're right there. I know it.
Look, I'm right here, dude. I'm here to help you. What's your name?
Diego.
Diego?
Yes. I see him. I see them.
No. That's another police officer, partner.
No, so
You got gloves,
there's
bro?
someone in the back seat. No, please. This is
No.
scaring the fuck
Listen.
out of me.
Are you okay, man?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Diego.
Sound like some sort of episode or something.
Diego, please.
No, relax. Hey, just keep your hand on the steering wheel for me, yeah? Just relax. Diego, listen to me. Relax. Stay with me. Okay, hey, don't reach for nothing. Diego?
Huh?
His peoples are pinpoint. Hey, Diego, you have any weapons or anything on you? Hey, Diego, listen to me. Diego. Don't reach for nothing, Diego. Okay, put your hands behind your back.
I will cooperate.
Okay.
You're going to.
I'm just
You have no option, okay?
Yeah.
okay, bro. I'm scared.
Relax.
Do not touch.
Okay.
Don't touch. Got it?
Yes.
I'm not the one, bro. I am not the one. You will go to the hospital.
Okay, I'm sorry. I tripped on that one.
Yeah, you are.
Don't grab the fucking.
Okay, relax.
Relax.
I'm cooperating.
Relax. Let me get a close to your back. Stop. Relax, brother. Relax. Listen to me. Diego, listen to me. Diego, relax. Give us your other arm. Give us your other arm. Give me your other arm. We'll handcuff you. Give me your other arm. Give us your other arm.
Stop.
Give me your other arm.
I'm gonna fucking tase you, bro.
Okay, give us your other arm. Diego.
Keep it up, bro. Fucking tase you. Got it?
Give us your other arm. Diego, give us your other arm.
No.
Alright, we got time. So we're gonna stay right here till you give us your other arm, bro. Give us your other arm. Diego. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna handcuff you, hey Diego. Oh, you keep comfortable. Okay, Diego, give me your other arm. Give me your other arm, Diego. Diego, give me your other arm. Diego, give me this arm. Diego, give me this arm. Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm, Diego. Give me this. Give me this, Diego. Diego, give me this. Give me this, Diego. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. Part 4, we got him detained. Nah. Diego. Diego, what's going on? Hey. He's overdosing. He's overdosing. I'm gonna get the back. I got it. Part 4, Starfire. The subject appears to be overdosing. Okay, let's get this on. Where's the fucking Narcan?
Take it easy, bro. Take it easy on him.
Remove clothes from patient's chest. Look carefully at the pictures on the white adhesive pad.
Okay, this is gonna go
one white pad from the gray case.
right here.
Place pad exactly as shown.
Hit Narcan.
Firmly to bare skin.
Breathe, brother. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe.
Stay clear of patient.
Start CPR.
Oh, it's gonna tell us when to. He's reading them.
Get the mask ready to start CPR.
Hey, let's take off the cuffs so we can start breathing better.
30 seconds.
Yeah, uncuff him.
Analysis will review.
We gotta turn him on the side.
Ready? One.
What's the AD advisor?
I didn't hear the last thing. I think we should just start
1
CPR.
minute, 15 seconds until analysis will resume.
A minute, 50 seconds. Oh,
Why don't we
he's breathing.
start CPR?
He's breathing. I think I saw him take a breath right now.
Just give him rest. Keep pushing.
Come on, Diego, breathe.
1 minute until analysis will resume.
Count left.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
One.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Come on. Is he breathing?
Keep going. Keep doing compressions.
15 seconds until analysis will resume.
Make sure fire's en route.
Part 4 is firing route.
Stay clear of patient.
Stay clear.
Analyzing heart rhythm.
Come on, brother, breathe.
Come on. What's his name?
Diego.
Clear of patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. No shock advised.
Okay. Continue CPR.
Safe to touch the patient. Press the flashing blue button.
1.
Structure wants to.
Come on, brother, breathe.
Okay, continue.
1 minute, 35 seconds until analysis will review.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
1 minute, 30 seconds
Okay.
until analysis will
You want to switch off and do the breaths?
Yeah.
1 minute, 15 seconds until analysis will
Can we get
review.
an update on fires ETA?
1, 2. Okay, no, Mark 10, open that up.
9, 10,
1 minute
12,
until
13,
analysis
14,
will review.
16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Come on, Diego.
Until analysis will review.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me give him one more for this. 6, 7,
30 seconds until analysis will resume.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Let me give him one.
Did you get the left off?
Okay.
15
Go ahead, go ahead.
4, 5, 16, 17.
Stay
Do we need an
clear
update on
of
fire?
patient.
All right,
Analyzing
stay clear.
heart
Okay.
Stay clear of patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. No shock advised.
Okay, continue.
Face to touch the face. If needed, begin CPR. For help with CPR, press the flashing blue button.
7, 8, 9, 30.
1,
2 breaths.
2.
11.
1 minute, 45 seconds until analysis will resume.
30.
Breaths.
Any more Arcan?
Yeah, we popped them at 4. Keep doing
4.
CPR.
1 minute, 30 seconds until analysis will resume.
20. 30.
Diego Rios died on November 28, 2025, from police brutality and possible drug use.